Hi and welcome to this video on pronouncing the letter G in Spanish. It can be a bit tricky for English speakers, so today we'll go over the different ways to pronounce the letter G in Spanish so you can improve your pronunciation and sound more fluent. I am Miss Gladys and I am your Spanish teacher, so let's get started. First, let's start with the hard G sound. This is the same sound that the letter G makes in English words like good or go. In Spanish, the hard G sound is represented by the letter G when it's followed by the letters A, O, or U. For example, the word gato. Gato. Attention to this exception. Letter G can be also followed by a U and I, like in the word guitarra, or U and E, like in the word guerra. Now, let's move on the soft G sound. This sound is similar to the English H sound, and it's represented by the letter G when it's followed by the letters E or I. For example, the word gemelo. Gemelo, which means twin, a male twin. If it's a female twin, we will say gemela, gemela. So these words are pronounced with a soft G sound. To make the soft G sound, you have to think about the way you pronounced H in English. Like when you say hello, it is important to remember that the hard and soft G sound can be tricky, can be difficult for English speakers. So if you're an English speaker and you are watching this video because it is complicated for you, it's normal. Do not worry. So it's important to practice and listen carefully. There is no magic tricks. So you just need to practice more the pronunciation by listening to native speakers to get the pronunciation right. That's why I'm going to be giving you more examples. I will pronounce more words for you. Gato, gato, garaje, garaje, gemelo, gemelo, general, general, girar, giro, gitano, girar, giro, gitano. Next, guitarra, guitarra. So what happened? I have an U between G and I. That's why the pronunciation changed to strong or hard G sound. Guitarra. And U becomes silent, remember. Same for this word, guerra, guerra. And G plus U is a hard or soft sound. What do you think? It's a hard G sound. Gusano, gusano. And that's it. With a little practice, you'll be able to pronounce the G sound in Spanish like a pro. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you learned something new, please subscribe to keep improving with me and speak Spanish fluently in no time. Buena suerte!